Up for sale, I got a 1958 Corvette, finished in Snowcrest white with red interior. 350 motor, 4-speed manual transmission. I'm going to walk around and tell you more about the car, show you some of the flaws, fire it up and then drive it. So if you like the video, leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. So like I said, 1958 Corvette, finished in Snowcrest white. Long time Western owned. As you know, you get some cracks with the paint over time on these Corvettes. It's very hard to avoid that. But the chrome is in rather nice condition. Not really any pitting coming through. Correct hubcaps and the thick white walls. Goodyear white walls. I'll point out more of those checks when I get to it, because there are a few more. There's a couple more right there. Oh, there's some spots on my lens. I'm sorry about that. I have the Unrestored hard top for the car and a brand new soft top. It's not installed, but there's a brand new frame in the soft top compartment. So like I said, you're going to get the Unrestored hard top and a brand new soft top. There's a little chip right there. Rather nice interior. Nice correct red seats. Nice dash pad. She's got an upgraded tach. Probably to work with the 350 motor. Nice carpet, nice seats, nice door panels. Nice condition all the way around. Again, look at that. Nice door jamb. There's a little crack in the paint right there. A small little guy right there. Has its correct hubcaps. The tailpipes come out underneath, but I have the pieces that you need to make them come out here. So those will be included as well. I have a lot of paperwork and receipts on the restoration. Other little parts here and there, little tidbits. I got a bucket full that will be coming with the car. Original steering wheel as well. There's a small one. I have the original one. That will be included in the sale. Touch up right there. Another little crack in the paint right there. Again, like I said, 1958 Corvette, finished in Snowcrest white with red interior. It is your desirable C1 model with that washboard grille and the little chrome spears on the trunk. Little wind's picking up a little bit here. Sorry if there's any sound coming through. Oh, I noticed there's a piece of tape on that side to protect any scratches coming through. So if you see that and I didn't address it, I forgot. It will be up for sale later today, the day that I post the video, or the day after the day that I post the video. So keep your eye out on my eBay page and nextgenclassiccars.com. A couple little things flying up on the paint right there. So reach out to us if you're interested. Let us know. We are negotiable in our asking price. And again, thanks for stopping by and watching this. We're going to fire it up now and then drive it. Yeah. Okay.